Once again, welcome back, student. Today we will talking about the growth kinetics of microbial culture. So, in this reference, today we will speak over the topic mathematical derivation, or how can we obtain the microbial culture, that is the exponential phase that is present or that is found during the different phases of the microbial. So, continuation to that, let us see the kinetics of microbial growth. Kinetics of microbial growth is pertaining to the first order of the chemical reactions, and this growth kinetics means how much number of cells are produced per unit time, or how are the changes that occur during the interval of the time period. If we are seeing over the growth of this microbial culture, so initially this is start from here and then increases, then constant, then fall down. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So there we find the 4 phases, and that 4 phases are known as log, that we call the exponential, then stationary, then or death phase. So for your kind information, these growth pattern is not during the microbial culture. If you are asking about the batch culture, if you are asking about the fed batch culture or continuous culture, in all these three culture we will find different. This is because of the change in the concentration of the substance, or that we call the nutrient medium. So we can explain the kinetics of microbial growth culture by applying the mathematical derivation, and it goes like that. The exponential growth curve can be defined by applying the dx by dt. And what is the dx by dt? This is the growth rate of cell biomass grow at a constant maximum rate in exponential phase, and mathematically it is dx upon dt proportional to the x, where x is the cell biomass concentration, dx is the change in cell biomass concentration. This is change in cell biomass concentration, and dt, that is the per unit time, or how much time we require to that. So this is equation number 1, dx by dt proportional to x. Now to replace this proportional, we are using here mu, and that mu is specific growth constant. What is that? Specific growth constant. So in respect to time, this proportional is replaced by mu. So dx by dt is equal to x, and that is equation number 2. dx by dt is equal to change in cell biomass concentration with respect to time t. So after rearranging the equation number 2, that is dx by dx upon dt is equal to mu x. If we are rearranging the equation, then what we find? dx upon dt is equal to mu x. This is after the rearranging. Now dx upon dt is equal to mu dt. Now integrate it. Why we are doing integration? Integration is done to find out the area of a curve, or total area of a curve. So let us see that start from limit 0 to t. Integration is done from 0 to time t. So this is 0 limit to t, and that dx upon x is equal to mu 0 to t and dt. Thereafter, by putting the value of 1 upon x is equal to log x. So when we are taking putting that value 1 by x, during the integration, its value will be log x. So putting the log x here, again log x 0, t is equal to, now this mean will be outside, and t 0, and after this equation, this one the equation, now simplified. After the simplification, what we got? Log x t minus log x naught. Here x0 is called x naught is equal to mu t. So again after rearranging that, or after the simplifying, log x t upon log x t upon x naught is equal to mu t. Then x t upon x naught is equal to e to the power ut mu t. Here is the base of log. So this is equation number 3. Once again, by rearranging equation number 2, what we got? dx upon dt is equal to mu x. Mu is the specific rate constant. Now taking the integration, and that integration is from 0 to limit 0 to time t. So 0 to t dx by x is equal to mu 0 to t and dt. After simplifying that, what we got? Log x t minus log x naught is equal to mu t, or you can also convert it logs x t by log x0 is equal to mu t. Again x t upon x naught, here x0 is equal to x naught is equal to e to the power mu t. E is what? Here the base of log. Now this is equation number 3. So on taking the natural log of this equation number 3, x t upon x naught is equal to e mu to the power t, that can be taken. Now ln is equal to log x t upon x naught is equal to mu t. Then log x t minus log x0 is equal to mu t. Again that simplifying, log x t is equal to ln x naught plus mu t. This is equation number 4. Now by what this equation is telling about that, after the time period t, actually initially the said biomass concentration was 0. Now after the time period t, what will be happen here? So number of viable cell biomass after growth period, or that is the incubation period. If starting from here, I am not taking here 0 because 0 is not taken initially when the culture is started. Some of the previously present microbes are present on the nutrient medium, so we cannot take it as 0. So from here we are not starting the curve, we are starting the curve from that. Therefore we are not taking the 0. So ln x t is equal to ln x naught plus mu t. Explaining about that, x t is what here? Number of viable cell biomass after the incubation period of growth, and x0, that is the original number of cell biomass at the starting of the growth. So what is the number of biomass cell during the starting time, and what is the number of cell biomass or the number of growth cell after the time period t. So if we are applying the mathematical derivation or equation y is equal to mx plus c. Here mx is the slope and c is the constant here. So when we arrange it on the graph, we find the straight line like this. This is the continuous straight line. Now simplify the equation number this 4, mu ln x t minus ln x naught upon t, or now the value of this 2.30 is coming from the log, value of log is here, so 2.303 log x t minus log x0 upon t. After substituting this value in the equation number 3, x t is equal to 2x naught. Here x t is what is x t, because we are taking the TD at the place of T, and TD is the doubling time period, and doubling time period is what? This is the time required to make the double concentration of the cell number. So x is equal to 2x naught. So by substituting this equation number 3, what is the equation number 3? Equation number 3 is xt upon x naught is equal to e to the power mu t. After substitute this value, what we find there? 2x naught is equal to x naught e to the power mu td. At the place of t, what we have kept here? Td, that is the doubling time period. And on taking the natural log, ln 2x naught is equal to ln x0 plus mu td, or mu td is equal to ln 2. Now the value of this log 2, t is equal to 0.693 upon mu, or you can take this td, that we call the doubling of culture. How much time is required to double the culture or number of cells? So TD can be calculated by putting the value of mu. The mu is the specific growth constant. So this is the mathematical equation for exponential growth curve that takes place during the microbial culture. So this is the first approach. How can we obtain the number? How can we measure the number of cells? This is based on the cell biomass number. Thanks for watching.